Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Apilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my video for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is trading inside a range. So my dear friends, our levels from yesterday did a good job. Today, the number of opportunities are not great, because we can see that gold is still trading inside the same range and the levels have been tested again and again, and market doesn't like common things. So you need to be careful today because there is a possibility that gold may go down a little. Okay, either it can break the level or it can go for some stop loss hunting. So please be careful, and let's discuss the levels one by one. So first of all, the resistance around 3370, 3390 is still very much valid. If market goes up, observe the market around this area. If market comes down or shows price rejection from above, we can hit the sell button. But remember, we should go for a breakout or buy at breakout above 3400 only, because 3400 is a round number psychological resistance. If market breaks 3400, then only we can expect that market will be heading towards 3450 or higher. So as of now, let's keep our eyes on 37090. If it breaks, then we will think about the next step. But as of now, gold is trading inside the range here. And you guys must have heard a lot of times me saying that, okay, in a sideways market, the only strategy that works best is buy at support, sell at resistance. People mostly lose money in sideways market because we fail to keep our patience. We end up entering on the middle of the chart and we compromise with the discipline. So please be careful. Okay. So if market goes up, we can look for a sell below it. Okay, and if market breaks 3400, we can look for buy above 3400. But chances of market going above 3400 is less now, because the fundamental reasons, okay, that were driving the market crazy are missing. Okay, so let's talk about the support now. So the support around 326070. Remember, okay, the support of 326070 is still very much there in the market. But the problem with the support is that market has already tested the support many times. And whenever a level becomes too common, okay, then liquidity builds up. And market doesn't like common things, because trading or market is a zero-sum game. If one makes money, the other loses money. So here 326070 has become a very common level. So obviously thousands and thousands of traders are going to take a buy position next time. And there's a possibility that either market will break the level or market will just go for some stop loss hunting. So please be careful next time when you will see market taking support around 327060. If you want to go for a buy also, you can go for a buy, but this time go with a small lot size. Okay, and if you see market going below 327060, if you see the market is standing at the support with a big red candle, do not be surprised, because this is quite natural. So again, I'm repeating, next time you need to be careful around 3260, 3270 area, because market has tested the support many times. Okay, so this time there is a possibility of market going down or market going for some stop loss hunt. If you see the market has taken support, market is going up, then you can go for a small lot. Do not go for normal big lots and all, because it can be trap also. And if market breaks, if you see that, okay, there is no support, market is going down with a big red candle, then we can look for a sell below 3260. And remember the support levels from our previous videos that we have been discussing for a long time. Yes, I do not want to repeat again. Yes, the support of 323125 is still very much valid as the next support. As a day trader, if you see market going below 3260, obviously you can look for a sell below this area. Okay, but when market will hit 323125 area, you can look for a buy position. And the second level, remember, 3196, 3200. Okay, that support is also very much valid. Those who are new to the channel and wondering what is, okay, what's up with 3200 or 3231 area, okay, let me show you once very fast. 323125 area, because of previous resistance, will be working as support, and we also have FIBO. from the daily chart. And around 3196 area, 3200, we have a support. So the trading opportunities that we discuss right now are the reliable ones. Okay, they are the reliable ones. But you can also see that I have drawn two dotted lines here. Okay, these are high risk scalp levels. If you're a scalper, if you want to take risk, then you can look for a 40 pips buy around these areas, where the first level is around 3303 to 3300. Okay, this is the first level where you can look for a quick buying of around 40 to 50 pips, not more than that. Then we can also look for a quick buy around 3290. These are two levels where we can look for a buy as a scalper, and these are, let me remind again, these are high risk levels. Okay, so please be careful. How we have derived them, let me show you. We have used Fibonacci here. So far you can see the Fibo levels are doing a good job. Okay, except this. Okay, but here we have Fibo 61.8% retracement level, 33300 is a round number psychological support. Plus you can see that this is okay, also a previous resistance working as support. Then we are considering 3290 as a scalping buy because of previous resistance working as support. Plus we can see FIBO 78.6% retracement level. So these are the trading opportunities, high risk, low risk on the chart of gold right now, from my opinion. Okay, if you see any other opportunities, feel free to write down in the comment section. But this is a sideways market is in a range right now. Market sentiment is also a little bit mixed up. Market is waiting for the upcoming NFP, so market may stay inside the range, market may be boring. You can look for trading opportunities outside gold also, but do not compromise with your discipline. My dear friends, if you're looking for a safe, reliable broker, then you can go with Star Trader or Vantage. Star Trader is the best option for day traders who are looking for low spread, because your spread on gold will be only 17. And you can see these are the licenses. So you can just imagine how safe Star Trader is. And it also provides insurance up to $1 million. So once you are done with account opening and deposit, just share the account number with me. I will reduce the spread to 17 to on gold. So if you're a day trader, this option is going to be the best. And if you're looking for a swap free account, if you're a swing trader, then you can go with Vantage. Vantage is also a big name in the Forex trading industry. The spread will be a little bit on the higher side because it's a swap free account. And once you're done with the account opening, okay, just let me know. Okay, I can also add you to my WhatsApp community as well. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.